Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download QCAD Free Trial 2025, step by step. No cracks, no third-party websites, only 100% official and safe download from the QCAD website. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Step 1. Go to the official website. Open your browser and search for QCAD 2025 Free Trial Official Website, or directly, link in description. Always download QCAD only from the official website to avoid malware or fake installers. Step 2. Go to Downloads page. Once you're on the home page, click on Download from the top menu. You'll be redirected to the QCAD Download Center, where the latest QCAD 2025 free trial is available. Here you can download QCAD for Windows, macOS, Linux. Step 3. Choose QCAD trial version and start the download. Scroll down and find QCAD Professional, free trial. This is the full version trial of QCAD with all features unlocked. Click on your operating system's download button. After clicking, QCAD will start downloading automatically. The file size is usually around 150 to 200 megabytes, so it should download quickly. No sign up or login needed. QCAD gives direct download for the trial version. Very simple. Once the download finishes, you're ready to install QCAD 2025 on your system. Just open the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions. That's it. You've successfully downloaded QCAD Free Trial 2025 from the official QCAD website. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.